How to find Instagram group chat. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Instagram application. And then what you're going to do here is to go to that search icon and then find that specific name of that group chat. Now, here's the thing. By typing the name of the group chat you're looking for, you may search for it on the Instagram application. You can locate something in the search results if it's public, but you will need to be asked to join if it's private. So you just have to type the name of that group chat. The results will appear right here. But then again, if it's private, you have to join first. Okay. Now, if you can't see that group chat name, type the name of that friend that is a member of that group chat. After you type her or his name, then you will see the result here. Also, the groups that this person has joined. And what you're going to do if it's private, then all you have to do is to join or ask the member, any of the members or the admin to join to that group chat. But if it's public, then you can simply join chat. Okay, as easy as that. That's how easy it is to find Instagram group chat. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.